Hi dear, welcome again to you all in my channel. Dear students, today we are going to study about the surface areas and volumes. Means we are going to introduce the new chapter of your textbook, which is surface areas and volumes. So students, you all are aware about this chapter. Means in your earlier class, means in class 9th, you have read about the surface areas and volume. The same thing is here. That thing you have read in class 9th, which is the here, but a little bit different. There you were studying the single solid like cube, cuboid, cone, but here in class 9th, we are going to study the combination of the solids. And after combination of the solids, we will study what will be their surface areas, their volumes, and etc. So before starting your chapter, before starting your topic, first I want to introduce once again, means I want to revise the formulas related to these solids which you have read in class 9th. So first of all, we have taken the solid cube. In this cube, as you know that this cube is having all the sides are equal. If all the sides of the cubes are equal, so length, breadth and height are equal. Say these are A, so what will be their areas? Means total surface areas and volume. So the surface area, as you know that in this solid there are 6 surfaces. So area of one surface is one surface equals to A square, because this first surface is looking square and the area of this square is side square. So area of the surface is, so similarly the total surface area, as you know that in this there are 6 surfaces, so total surface area TSA is equals to 6A square. This is the total surface area of this solid cube. So now you can write the formula of volume of this is volume of cube is equals to A cube, means side cube. So these formulas are related to the cube, means area of one surface of cube is equals to A square, total surface area of this cube is equals to 6A square, and the volume of cube is A cube, when where A is the side of this cube. Similarly, this is a cuboid, it is also having the 6 faces and all the faces is the shape of rectangle. Say its length is L, breadth is B and height is H, then what will be the total surface area of this is? So for the cuboid, total surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and you have read that area of its lateral surface area is equals to LSA, that is equals to 2 multiplied by L plus B into H. This is the lateral surface area, and the volume of this cuboid is equals to volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. So these all are about the cuboid. In this cube, that lateral surface area is left. Lateral surface area means the area of the 4 walls. So you can write lateral surface area of cube is equals to 4A square, because 4 walls, that is 4A square. So same as it is here taking the cone. In the cone, you know that the base of the cone is a circular and the wall is chord surface. if the radius of this circular region is r and the height of this cone is h, this is r, slant height is L. So the first formula for the cone is L square is equals to h square plus r square. Why? Because here at the center of this cone you are getting a right angle triangle. So this is hypotenuse, this is height, and this is base. So square of L is equals to square of h plus square of r, that is radius, means L square is equals to h square plus r square. Now the chord surface area means lateral surface area of this is, which is called chord surface area. So chord surface area means CSA. Chord surface area of cone is pi r into L. This is the chord surface area. Similarly, we can find the total surface area of this is, total surface area of cone is equals to pi rl into plus pi r square, which is, if you take pi r as a common, you will get L plus r. This is the total surface area of the cone. Now you can find the volume of cone is equals to, so volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square into h. That the value of h, you can find the slant height with the radius. If slant height and radius is given, so value of height you can get with this formula, L square is equals to h square plus r square. So students, this is only for your revision, that these things you all have read in class 9th. Here I am only the revising, उस formula को आप self revise कर सकते हो. But in the introduction it was important to tell you. So cube, as you know that the every surface of cube is a shape of square. So the side of the cube is A. So one face of the cube becomes the square. So area of one surface is equals to A square. So total surface area is 4A square, lateral surface area is 4A square, and volume is A cube. Similarly in this, as you know that all the sides, all the faces of this cuboid is of rectangle. So अब सभी faces इसके rectangular हैं, तो सभी rectangular के length और breadth different है. So we have not given the area of one surface, because if you want to find the area of this front surface, so its area will be length into breadth. Breadth is here, height. तो इसका area क्या आएगा? L into h. इसका area, that side, right side, it is B into h. So we have not given the area of one surface. We have taken directly the total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Same as lateral surface area means LSA, means the area of 4 wall is equals to 2 into L plus B into height h, and volume of the cuboid is equals to, volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height. Okay. Now for the cone, as you know that this is the cone, its base is circular, so here is the relation between slant height and radius, L square is equals to h square plus r square. So chord surface area of this cone is pi r into L. The value of L you can find with this first formula. And total surface area means chord surface area plus area of base, which is circular, that is pi r square. When you add chord surface area plus area of base is equals to, you will get pi r into L plus r, and the volume of this cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. So here are the two other shapes, cylinder and the sphere. In the cylinder, as you know, there are three faces, two, that this is top, which is circular, and the base is also circular, and this chord surface area. So if the radius of base B r and height of this is h, so the chord surface area for this is, chord surface area of cylinder is equals to 2 pi r into h. This is chord surface area, formula to find the chord surface area of this cylinder. Now total surface area of the cylinder be, total surface area of the cylinder is equals to chord surface area plus area of top plus area of base. It means 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Why 2 pi r square? Because pi r square is the area of base and pi r square is the area of top. Therefore, if you take the common is 2 pi r, so you will get H plus R. This is the formula to find the total surface area of this cylinder. Now, to find the volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square into h height. So this is all about the cylinder. This cylinder is also called right circular cylinder. Right because it is, that is for right, and circular, that is base and top is circular, and it is cylinder. Sphere. Sphere is a similar face of circle. Circle is 2 dimensional, but sphere is 3 dimensional. To understand this shape as a sphere, we can suppose this is. So in this, if the radius of the sphere be given, which is r unit, so this sphere is having only one surface. So this one surface you can say chord surface, you can say total surface, or you can say surface area of this sphere. So what I said, for the surface area of a sphere, it can be written as chord surface area, इसको chord भी बोल सकते हो, or you can say this is total surface area of sphere, and its formula is 4 pi r square, right? So the total surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, and volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, right? So this is all about the 5 solids: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, and the sphere we have discussed. In the right circular cylinder, the chord surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into h, where r is the radius and h is the height. You know that the value of pi, which is 22/7 or 3.14. Total surface area of the cylinder is chord surface area plus area of base plus area of top, which is 2 pi r square. It means 2 pi r h, which is chord surface area, plus 2 pi r square. When you take 2 pi r as a common, you will get 2 pi r into h plus r, which is the total surface area of this cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Similarly, we came in the shape of sphere. So in the sphere there is only one surface. You can say this surface is surface area or chord surface area or total surface area. इसके सिर्फ एक ही surface होते हैं, आप उसको surface area ही बोलो, या फिर आप chord surface area बोलो, या फिर total surface area of sphere बोल सकते हो. So the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Now the volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So this is all about the introduction of your previous class, which was very important to tell you. So I have given this part as in introductory part of the surface areas and volume. As we have discussed here in our class 10th, we will study about the combination of the solids. So let us discuss, let us introduce first of all what is the combination of solid and how to find their volumes and their surface areas.